Hello everyone and welcome to another insightful session right here on this channel with me, Tete Tay. Today we would be looking at a scholarship from the University of Bradford in the UK. This scholarship is known as the Bradford Radan Hintala Scholarship for MSc in Satellite Systems Engineering. Yes, this scholarship is a reduced tuition waiver of £10,000 at the University of Bradford if you get to study a master's in satellite systems engineering. If this is the first time you are watching any video on this channel, I am glad that you are here. I would encourage you to hit on the subscription button and then the post notifications so that as and when I release a new video, you would be notified. If you are a returning viewer, I am glad that you are still here, and I know you are definitely going to find a video that is worth watching right on this channel. Without wasting much time, let's dive straight into the video for today. So today, like I said, we are going to be looking at the Bradford Rendang-Hintala Scholarship for Masters in Satellite Systems Engineering. We are on the homepage of the scholarship. Scholarships worth £10,000 each are available under the Bradford Rendang-Hintala Scholarship Fund to suitably qualified students. Scholarship funding is only intended for students listed in the eligibility criteria. We would be looking at the eligibility criteria below very soon. So the study level is a postgraduate third degree, and then the academic year of entry is 2024 to 2025, and then the deadline for applying is on the 17th of May 2024, and then the attendance is full-time and it's available to prospective students. There are 10 scholarships available, so 10 scholarships are available, so you stand a chance of being selected for this scholarship if you are applying for the Satellite Systems Engineering Masters program. Okay, so this is the applicable course. Okay, the applicable course is a Masters in Satellite Systems Engineering. So now let's look at the eligibility criteria. Okay, let's look at the eligibility criteria. So we keep on scrolling down. Okay, eligibility. In addition to having either an unconditional or conditional offer for a place on the university's MSc in Satellite Systems Engineering course starting in September 2024, applicants will need to have at least 2:1 degree or equivalent in an appropriate subject area. Candidates who do not fulfill this requirement but have extensive and relevant industrial experience, 3 years plus, will be considered on individual basis. Prioritizing criteria in case of oversubscription, female students based on the rationale that they are underrepresented in the engineering sector. So priority is going to be given to female students if there is the case of oversubscription. So inferring from the eligibility criteria here, you can see that before you are eligible for this course, you need to have either an unconditional or a conditional offer of place on the university's MSc in Satellite Systems Engineering course. Okay, so before we can proceed to apply for this scholarship, it is important for us to look at how you can apply for the university's Satellite Systems Engineering course. Okay, so you could quite remember that here the applicable course is, we saw MSc in Satellite Systems Engineering. Okay, so there's a hyperlink here, so you can always click on this course. Okay, so I'm just going to right click because I don't want to move from this page, because we will be coming back to this page to see how we can apply for the scholarship, and it's going to take me to the programs page. Okay, so once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this page, Satellite Systems Engineering MSc. That is the Masters in Satellite Systems Engineering. I would be inserting all the relevant links in the description, so you do not have to worry. You can access the link from there as well. So once you're on the program page, you can read about the program page, and it is even stated here, scholarships of £10,000 are available to eligible full-time UK or international students of this course. Okay, so it explains the whole course here. But before you click on apply now, you can always check the entry requirements. Okay, so it is important to check the entry requirements. So the entry requirements: 2:2 or above in electrical and electronics engineering, telecommunications engineering, computer science, physics or mathematics from an approved degree awarding body. Okay, so you need a background in either electrical and electronics engineering, telecommunications engineering, computer science, physics, or mathematics, okay, from your university. If you do not fulfill the normal entry requirements but have extensive industrial experience in a related field, for example communications and RF engineers, satellite engineers, computer scientists, or software programmers, physicists will be considered on an individual basis. As you can see, there are English language requirements for this course. However, coming from Ghana or Nigeria and you have written your WASI examinations and achieved at least a C6 in English, you are exempted from providing any English language test. Okay, so that is for you. You do not need to write any IELTS if you are coming from Ghana or Nigeria and have written the WASI and have achieved at least C6 in the English language. So do not fret when you see IELTS here. Okay, so now that we've checked the entry requirements, you can also click on fees and finance. Okay, so with the fees, the international fees are £24,180. Okay, so if you get the scholarship, you just take the £10,000 out from this amount and you are going to be left with £14,180. That is the fees that would be applicable to you if you are able to gain the scholarship. Okay, so I just need to clarify this. So once you check all the necessary things that you have to check, like the curriculum, your career prospects, and the rest, you can always just click on apply now. Okay, so once you click on apply now, this menu is going to pop up and then it is going to let you know the things that you need to complete your application. Okay, so the easiest way to apply is online. This will help you process your application more quickly and allow you to submit your supporting documents electronically. If you're unable to apply online, please email. So there's an email that you can send a message to request for a paper application form, but then applying online is the best form of application, and I would encourage you to do that. Okay, so the University of Bradford would also need the following supporting documents along with any other information specified on the course page. Okay, so you would need your degree certificate and your transcript. You would need a research proposal if required, but bearing from the entry requirements that we read on the homepage, you do not need any research proposal for this program. And then the evidence of English language proficiency, you just need to upload your WASI certificate, which shows that you achieved at least a C6 in the English language course. Okay, then you need a copy of your passport. So these are the documents that you would need to facilitate your application process. Okay, so once you are ready, you just click on apply and then it brings you to the application portal. And once you are here, you just click on a new user, and then once you click on new user, you can start registering for your course. Okay, that is it. And just like that, you can start with your satellite systems engineering master's program application. Okay, so once you have gained either a conditional or unconditional offer for this program, that is when you can apply for the scholarship. So I would encourage you to put in your application as soon as possible so that you can receive either a conditional or unconditional offer, and then you can proceed to the application, the scholarship application portal, to put in your application. Okay, so let's go back to the scholarship page and let's finish exploring how you can apply for the scholarship. Okay, so now we have looked at the eligibility. Now let's look at the eligible countries. Okay, so once you click on this plus sign here, it's going to review the eligible countries, and we have a whole host of countries here. Of course, you know I have a bias towards Ghana and Nigeria, so those are the countries that I'm going to look for first. And as you can see, there's Ghana here. There are a lot of African countries here, so you can always explore the countries. There's Ghana, and now I keep on scrolling down. There's also Liberia here. Okay, there's Libya. Let's scroll down and let's see. Yes, we have Nigeria here as well. Yes, so you can always explore. We have a lot of countries here that are eligible for this scholarship. So just make sure that your country is here and that you meet the requirements before you put in your application for the scholarship. Mind you, the application for the scholarship is different from the program application. Okay, so we just went through how you can apply for the satellite systems engineering master's program. Okay, and then now we are going to look at how you can apply for the scholarship. Okay, so once you are here, how to apply, please complete the application form. Okay, so once you see please complete the application form contains a hyperlink, so you just click on it. And then once you click on it, it brings you to the application form. That is the Bradford Redemption-Tyler Scholarships for MSc in Satellite Systems Engineering, September 2024. Scholarships worth £10,000 each are available under the scholarship fund to suitably qualified students. Scholarship funding is only intended for students listed in the eligibility criteria below. Important information about your application. Before completing this form, please ensure that you have either an unconditional or conditional offer for a place on the university's MSc in Satellite Systems Engineering course starting in September 2024. Please also ensure that you have at least 2:1 in your undergraduate study or equivalent. Okay, so once you have read this important information, then you just click on next. So this is a scholarship platform, and then you can apply for the scholarship platform here. Once you click on next, you can answer all these questions about yourself. Yeah, so after answering all these questions, you click on next, and then you complete your scholarship application form. And just like that, you have applied for the Bradford Redemption-Tyler Scholarship for the Masters in Satellite Systems Engineering that is starting in September 2024. Okay, so that is it. And mind you, the application deadline for the scholarship is on the 17th of May. So I would encourage you to apply for the master's program as soon as possible. Once you receive your conditional or unconditional offer letter, then you can proceed to apply for the scholarship. I wish you all the best with your application, and I'll definitely catch you on the flip side. Stay blessed, and I am out.